Racers, stand by to touch your screens. Touch them now. To choose the head you want, touch it. But remember, you only get one chance to choose. Choose your driver's head now. Choose a face to race. What kind of Lego racer are you? Choose that face now. To get ahead, racers, get a hat. Get that hat now, racers. Choose that body now, racers. Choose now. Get your Lego legs. Choose those legs now. Now that's a well-built driver. Let's put the cars together. Get a set of wheels. Let's look good on that track, racers. Choose the style you like. Excellent work, racers. Now enter your first name only. Remember, you can rub out if you make a mistake. Finish your name now, racers. Finish now! And use the tick to confirm your name. Okay, Lego racers. Remember, this is the colour of your race station. This is its number. In the racing room, find your race station. It has two pedals. The right makes your car go faster. The left makes it stop. Right to go, left to stop. On the track, you'll find green, red and yellow bricks. Try to drive through them to give your car special powers. To use a special power, push this button. A green brick gives your car turbo boost. Go through the red and you get a cannonball. Drive through a yellow brick and it's no more Mr. Nice Guy, because you can drop a dastardly oil slick. Larry is really flying. He's in the lead. See if you can come first in your race. If you complete 3 laps in 3 minutes, that is a fantastic drive. But don't stop racing at the finish line. Try to complete another Lego Racers lap. Know your colour and number? Then hit the track. It's go, go, go through that door now.